Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Taski Swingo 350B auto scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so we need to replace the squeegees on your squeegee assembly. First, we got to take the squeegee assembly off the machine. Pull it out to the side like this. Here's a tab and it twists. And it's on both sides. So drop that off, push it back in, come to the other side, twist the same tab, and now you can pull the squeegee assembly away from the machine. Okay, now what we need to do is get the squeegee blades off the assembly. So go ahead and take these knobs right here on top, take them off. And now what you can do is you can push down, a little tight. There we go. And now we can take the blades off the blade holder. Just like that. Okay, now just reverse the steps to install your new squeegee blades. You've got holes on your squeegee blades that line up with these notches on the centerpiece here. Just make sure that those line up. Flip it around to do the same thing with the front squeegee blade. Just like that. Now take it and insert it back into the assembly. And screw the knobs back down. Okay, now all we got to do is put it back on the machine. Make sure that the tabs line up with the notches. Start with one side here. Lock it into place, come to the other side, do the same thing, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.